Hello students, welcome to Welcome Classes. In this video series, I will cover current affairs of NTA UGC NET 2020. So as you can see, the first question is UNEP launches which program for universities? The options are Green Nurse, Green India, Green University and Haryali. The answer is option A, Green Nurse. So students, second question is which of the following is the new publication of the UNEP? The options are The Little Book of Green Nuts, The Little Book of Greenery, The Book for Environment and The Little Book of Haryali. The answer is The Little Book of Green Nuts. So students, ये जो UNEP ने ग्रीन नट्स प्रोग्राम लॉन्च किया है, इसका मेन एम है 200 मिलियन स्टूडेंट्स को इंस्पायर करना टू अडॉप्ट इन्वायरमेंटली फ्रेंडली हैबिट्स एंड ग्रीनर लाइफ स्टाइल्स. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज पंजाब गवर्नमेंट लॉन्च्ड डैश ऐप फॉर एनवायरमेंट प्रोटेक्शन. द ऑप्शंस आर इन्वायरो, आई स्वच्छता, आई रखवाली and save enviro. The answer is option C, आई रखवाली. So students, आई रखवाली पंजाब गवर्नमेंट ने लॉन्च किया है for the purpose of environment protection. This will help netizens to become greenery saviors. Now move to the next question, and this is very important. Which of the following has launched English Pro, a free mobile app? Options are PM Narendra Modi, HRD Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank, Minister for Tribal Affairs Arjun Munda, and both A and B. And the answer is B, HRD Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank. So, Union Minister of Education Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank launched English Pro, a free mobile app. The app is developed by the English and Foreign Languages University, Hyderabad. The app will help learners develop Indian English pronunciation in the unique Indian way. This app will be a useful digital tool and will act as an educational resources for the teachers, students and for people from varied backgrounds. This app was launched on 5th September on Teachers' Day. Now move to the next question. Which of the following university has won prestigious Maulana Abul Kalam Azad Trophy? The options are Punjab University, Delhi University, Haryana University and Allahabad University. Answer is A, Punjab University. So students, Punjab University has been honored with the prestigious Maulana Abul Kalam Azad Trophy for the second consecutive year. Maulana Abul Kalam Azad Trophy is given to overall top performing university in inter-university tournaments. The award was presented virtually by President Ram Nath Kovind along with Union Minister of Youth Affairs and Sports Kiren Rijiju on the occasion of National Sports Day on 29th of August 2020. Now next question is which among the following has been selected for National Award to Teachers 2020? Options are Shri Ramesh Prasad Badoni, Shri Ashutosh Anand, Sudha Panyuli, Peter Tabichi. Answer is option C, Sudha Panyuli. Sudha Panyuli has been selected for National Award to Teachers 2020. The teachers are selected by independent jury at national level constituted by Ministry of Education, Department of School Education Literacy. She is the Vice Principal of Eklavya Model Residential School, Dehradun, Uttarakhand. established under Ministry of Tribal Affairs. She has been selected for her innovative experiments like birthday garden, theater in education, tribal museum, etc. Now next question is, for what purpose Aryabhat Research Institute of Observational Sciences, Nainital to organize online international conference in September? Options are aerosol air quality, climate change, impact on water resources and livelihood in the greater Himalayas, all of the above. Answer is all of the above. Aryabhat Research Institute of Observational Sciences, Nainital is set to launch international 3-day conference on aerosol air quality, climate change and impact on water resources and livelihoods in the greater Himalayas. The conference will be held from September 14 to 16. The conference will focus air pollution and its impact on regional and global air quality. Now next question is, which of the following has been declared as India's cleanest city and state under Swachh Sarvekshan 2020? The options are Indore and Madhya Pradesh, Indore and Chhattisgarh, Navi Mumbai and Gujarat, Surat and Gujarat. The answer is option B, Indore and Chhattisgarh. So students, subscribe the channel for the next upcoming videos. Thank you.